Okay, if I explain it.
We're going to watch in this video how the DEP, the New York City DEP, installs a tap connection for a service line on a live city water main. Their first step is they have to put a chain around the city water main after the plumber digs out the excavation. And then they put specialized equipment, including some gaskets, to make a watertight fit. They place the tapping machine on the city water main, tighten it up nice. This is all a process that probably takes altogether about 20 minutes, so we're going to speed up portions of this. And a tap machine's interesting. It's sort of like a periscope on a submarine, that it has chambers inside of it. So you can tighten it down. First, there's a shank with a drill that actually drills through the city water main. You're watching the tapper now put the drill on top. And as he turns it on, he's got to secure it in place, of course. He's actually drilling through a live city water main. There's no water leaking out because of the specialized equipment, the tapping machine. He drills completely through the city water main. Then he removes the machine, and you're going to see again when he removes it, there's virtually no loss of water. On the same shank, once he pulls the machine out, he's going to screw on the new tap, which is threaded on both sides. On this one side to connect to the city water main, on the other side to connect to the fittings that will attach on the new service line that's being put in. That's what's coming up now. You're going to see the shank removed, the tap screwed on in its place. Maybe there's a quart of water that gets lost, and that's what these guys from the DEP do every day. They are specialists. There it is, being inserted with the tap on the end of the shank. Thank you for showing that, DEP. Now by hand, with a ratchet, he's going to screw that tap into the city water main. And it doesn't really have to be that tightly screwed in to not have a leak. We're almost there. And now he's actually going to unscrew the machine, take the shank out, remove the tapping machine, and you'll stick around, you'll see a brand new 1-inch tap connection. And again, this whole process, from the time they show up to the time they leave, because they are experts, it's about 20 minutes, and there you go, a brand new 1-inch tap. You think there's water in there? Let's stick around. Let's see if that's really live. Oh yeah, screaming in the background, just having a little fun.